Welcome, I'm Louis Armenta DeLombre. We're going to be talking about graphic design and the steps we took for this album campaign. First, it starts off with the photo shoot, whether you're doing a studio shoot or you're doing a location shoot. Then you would move into any merch, right? You want to design it, have it pressed up, and then either your artist is going to wear it or the model. In this case, it was both. You do all your photo shoots. Once you're done with your photo shoot, you create your contact sheet. You send that over to the artist. They approve the photos, and you can start touching them up. And you could add effects to it. Once you have your photos ready to go, then you jump into, in our case, Photoshop. We have our template here. You can see I'm turning it on and off. Red area, you have safety, you have cut lines, and you have fold lines, right? The first panel you could see we're focused on merch. The center one is the artist along with the model. That area I just wanted to leave it in case he wanted to sign it for meet and greets or he's gonna mail it out to certain fans. Right, that's a cool little area to have. And then we have the actual cover itself, right, where it says "Hello, he's not me." You could see I'm turning the art on and off, and then you have a template that sits on top of the artwork. And then we have the inside. You can see I took those 3 photos that I showed you earlier and I combined them to make them one cool image right in the center, right? It's called He's Not Me. So I wanted it to play on the mind. And then we have the film look. It has that grain to it, weathered look. We have the film scratches going on, and we could see the artist there over to the left. Again, this is a tray card. That's the inside tray card. And now this is the outside tray card. We have the actual track listing, we have the artist. And when you're working with anything, you have your template ready to go. Here's the final layout, how I would present it to the artist. But I dropped in the photos so you could see which ones we used and the locations that they were placed in and the effects we added to them, right, to bring them to life. Prep everything for digital distribution. Then we have flyers that you design and press up. Original photo, we have posters that we would design and press for promotion. We have a poster, we have flyers, and we have the banner, right? Now the proof is in the pudding. The hard copies of the albums photographed here. Now these are the panels. We took that out, opened it up, right? Pulled everything out. We have the disc. And you could use this for future promotion when it comes to yourself, right? As a graphic artist. There we have everything that we designed, printed, and delivered. We have the banner that's over there at the campaign for the meet and greet. Now you want to move into music videos. We shot the music video for this artist. We did the editing, the distribution of it. Once you do that, you want to do anything. There's downtime. You could shoot promo video for distribution on social media. And then we designed the website for the artist as well. Now, because we have the photos, we have all the video work, it's easy for us to jump in and help the promotion. I really feel that there's a big future still for those that want to enter the graphic design industry, multimedia, and but learn your storytelling. Learn to tell a good story. All right, man. I'm Louis Armenta DeLombre, and visit me at LearnGD.com, and that's right there on the screen. Or if you're just listening to the audio, it's LearnGD.com. That's LearnGD.com. I'm Louis, and if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. All right, man. Catch you on the next one.